Hi everyone, welcome to Center Parcs Woburn. I'm Rachel, Tom's behind the camera. So this is our third visit to Center Parcs Woburn specifically, but the first time that we've ever stayed in the hotel. So we've got no kids for the weekend, they're away at Butlins, so we thought we would treat ourselves to a nice break. So we've had 3 nights here. We arrived Friday evening, we'll be going home Monday morning. And that has cost us £430. However, this is the first week of the summer holidays, so it's generally you can get it quite a bit cheaper out of season. So where we are staying at the moment is on the map is right here. So we basically, within the hotel, we are right within the plaza. We've got loads of restaurants right near us, so literally it's a 2-minute walk down the stairs and we're in the plaza area. So we've got a Starbucks here, the shop is just here, and then we've got the sports hall, the gym, and everything else there. And then a short walk away, so literally 5 minutes, is the village square, which again there are more restaurants in there, and that's where the subtropical swimming pool is, which I've got to say is great fun when you're here just with 2 adults going on the slides and not having to chase the kids around everywhere. It's been great fun. So into our room. So I'd actually say this is one of the nicest hotel rooms that I've ever stayed in. It's really spacious, really airy. The view, which you've just seen from the balcony, is what we can see when we wake up in the morning, obviously when we open the curtains. So I'll show you some of the amenities that we've got within the room. So the first thing is, obviously you can get within the hotel, you can get suites as well, which have got facilities that you can do some cooking yourself. We didn't opt for that, we've just gone for the room. But we do have a fridge, so we've been able to keep milk in there just for making our cups of tea, and we did have some champagne which was demolished yesterday. So we've got a kettle in the room. The room comes with cups, wine glasses and a bottle opener should you need it. Then we have got, I'll just show you this quickly as well. So for Center Parcs you get given one of these wristbands, so that gives us access to our room, access to lockers, and then all of the corridors, we just use that and we can get in. So the remote controls are all in these bags when you come into the room, just to show you that they've been cleaned, and you know that no one else has had their hands over them before you have, other than for cleaning purposes. So a nice little desk area here. I think a lot of the hotel is used for conferences, so it's a nice little area to do a little bit of work. The Wi-Fi here is brilliant, so that's another plus point. So to show you around, so really nice beds, which is very, very comfortable. There's also a travel cot in here, so we're assuming that you could have a child in here if you wanted to have a child. And then there's space underneath the bed to put your suitcases, which is handy. Handy bit of storage. And then one of the negatives in this room that I would say is there's no 3-point plug by the sides of the bed. I know most things are USB now, but not everything is. However, there are 2 USB charging points only on this side, not on the other side of the bed. And another pretty cool thing on here, we've got the master light switch. So when you get into bed at night, if you've forgotten to turn off a light, you can just press that and it turns everything off for you. So yeah, so it's a really nice airy room. If Tom just turns around for you now, you'll just see the view again straight out of the room. And I'll head over to the wardrobe. So again, a nice little table here. So it's been raining the whole time we've been here, so actually it's been quite handy, quite nice sitting in. Nice spacious wardrobe. There is a safe at the bottom as well, which again, which is free to use. You just put your own pin in there. If you need an ironing board or anything, I did see someone having one delivered to their room, so that's all included as well if needed. Got aircon and heating here, where we sleep with a fan on at home, so I've been a little bit annoyed that I couldn't get it below 22 degrees in this room. Nice little toilet in here. So I think one of the really nice things about these rooms is they're all open plan, and it's really nice that the toilet's separate to the shower, because you can go and do separate things. So, nice little area for getting ready, stool to sit on, hairdryer is included in the room. There are champagne glasses that we bought. We've got extra toilet rolls and extra towels, and I guess if you need anything else you can just go down to reception and ask for it. There's no toiletries within the room included, apart from 2 little bars of soap, so you need to bring your own shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. And then again, so when you're getting ready in the morning, you can just turn around and there's a nice little view straight through there again. And then onto this lovely shower. So it's a nice big double shower in here. Door opens both ways for getting in and out. And then we walk around the corner. And then we're back to the beginning again. So I hope you've enjoyed our room tour. We've really enjoyed staying here and would definitely come back again as a couple. Thank you. Oh my god, they're so tame. Oh,